non-teaching staff are the main proof that nothing is impossible if we become one and united towards one goal, and that is giving the best to our students. Again, the Binmaley Catholic School incorporated teaching and non-teaching staff. Hep hep! Hep hep! Hooray! Very good po.
Jesus the Nazarene Academy of Binmaley Incorporated, together with their junior cadets and sponsors, headed by Ma'am Venus Iraskin and the school director Reverend Father Jamie F. Tito Jr., is a Catholic school founded in 2008 by Reverend Father Rojan Ramirez. Committed to excellence, it cultivates professionals through activities inspired by Christian values, rooted in the gospel and church teachings. With the tagline, Magna est Veritas et Prevalebet, we have Jesus Nazarene Academy of Binmaley.
The next contingent is no other than Mary Help of Christian Seminary, headed by Reverend Father Joseph T. Fernandez. Mary Help of Christian Seminary is one of the popular places listed under school in Binmaley, Pangasinan. This school is guided by the Holy Spirit and realizes that God's plan for the salvation of the youth is through purposive education. Once again, Mary Help of Christian Seminary.
Our next contingent is the UCCP Binmaley Ecumenical Learning Center Incorporated. This school is located at Mabini Street, Binmaley, Pangasinan, and of course headed by their principal, Dr. Maria Dala Perez.
Next in line are the dedicated individuals who form the backbone of our vocational education efforts, the Fiesta personnel, headed by Mr. Abonjo B. Lozadas Jr. These men and women are the driving force behind the advancement of technical education and skills development in our community. Through their tireless efforts, they empower individuals to acquire the knowledge and expertise needed to thrive in today's competitive world. They epitomize the spirit of service and excellence that defines